Today we speak about daily routine. Hi guys and welcome back in today's video. Today I want to share with you a topic that for me it's really important on every day, and this is the daily routine, because every successful entrepreneur and business people have a great daily routine, because you cannot wake up in the morning and think okay, what I do today, maybe I can read a little bit, maybe I can work 2 hours. You can do this maybe for the weekend. For the week you have your routine and everything set up, and then on the weekend you break the routine and you do the thing as you want. uh, every routine start with a great morning rituals, a morning routine. So my morning ritual is wake up and go straight to the kitchen to eat something. I have my meal plan every day. I know exactly what I need to eat. After I had breakfast, I return here in my bedroom, and I make the bed, I wash my teeth, and I dress up. Then, when everything is okay, I go to my desktop, and I have a list on the notes on my computer that everything I need to do. Sometimes I change the order of the thing, but I know that every day I should take these actions, like listen a podcast, watch some YouTube videos, watch at least one video of one course, contact at least one client every day, and work with websites and my social media marketing agency, and other things like the gym. And doing this, it's not perfectly timed. I tried before make an exact plan, like from 8 to 9 read, from 9 to 10 work, but it's too hard to follow, because maybe one day you don't want to read a lot, but you want to work more. You can choose. So now my routine, it's not an exactly routine, but there are a lot of points that I should follow and I should accomplish. I can take now some of the points that I need to do. Then, for example, this morning before recording this video, I read the book, this one, the Influence book. Then I posted and I managed my Instagram pages with posting the content, scheduling the content, and then I also started my software for the growth. Then I do some exercise, some cardio, listening to podcast. Then I write my goal and my thing that I am grateful, because now I am starting to do this every day, 1 or 2 times a day. Write every day my goals, and 3 goals and 3 things that I am grateful. And then I watched some YouTube videos. And then for the other part of the day, I have to work of my social media marketing agency, do some websites, and contact some new clients, some more clients, watch a course, and maybe if there is the need, manage my e-commerce site. And I know with this list that if every day I do everything, my day it will be successful and complete. Uh, because doing this, I know that the long-term results of doing this every day, it's pretty much the success, because I go in the 4 areas of life, healthy food, and doing workout and cardio every day it's for health, and then for wealth, I have work, YouTube videos, courses, books, and the major part of things are about wealth. And then for the part of social, it's after dinner. Now that it's summer, pretty much every day I go out, maybe drink something, I use the car, I meet some friends, and I have fun with my friends. So the social part, it's also okay. And doing this, everything it's about my happiness, because if I have a great balance from work, if I am in healthy shape, and if I have a good time with people, friends, and people in general, my happiness goes up. This morning I was searching some apartments around the beautiful city, about 20 minutes driving from here. I am watching about the prices, because now that the income is going up with my clients, I am trying to not spend too much, because I want to change the exhaust of the car and a lot of other things, but I need to keep focused on the important thing and maybe reinvest that money in the business, and don't spend them in cars or in other things for now. I hope you enjoyed the video about the daily routine. Every day I work out about 1.5 hour every day, for 4 5 times a week. I do workout in the gym, and then the other days I go walking with podcast, or simply relaxing, walking with music. So you need to try what is the best way to structure your daily routine, but it's important to have a daily routine, and you can try doing this way, the list of the things to accomplish. You can try to put the hours, the things to do, or you can maybe wake up in the morning and plan for the day, or the night before you go to bed, you write down the things that you do to do the next day. I have the basic, it's my daily routine, and then some days I will add tasks, because in my calendar I write things about clients, about meeting. So maybe 3 days per week for my daily routine is this basic, the list, plus the things on the calendar. Maybe the management of a website of a client, um, or modify something on the website, or contact or get a meeting on project, a new website, a new e-commerce. Pretty much there is the basic, the thing that I need to do, and then every day I can increase. And if I have maybe at the end of the day I have 2 hours left, and I had accomplished everything, I can choose if I can go out to have fun, watch a movie, or if I want more, read more, watch more movies, contact more clients. You can choose what you want. I hope you enjoyed the video, and now start to writing down maybe 10 points that you do every day. They can be big, like a great website, or they can be little, like doing some push-ups in the morning. But it's important that you start today and keep this every day to do your daily routine and daily structure, so you can accomplish your goals. I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you in the next one.